Alright, so today's video is going to be a little different. So I'm starting a new series called the Pitbike Adventures. Literally all the video is going to be is me hopping on the pit bike and riding around doing random stuff. I'm going to start making these videos because they're super fun to make and easy to edit. This way I can get more videos out to y'all that you enjoy. Thanks for the 250 subs. We're doing amazing. The context behind this is I just got a broom from the first junkyard pile, stuck it on the back of my backpack. Then me and Alex rode around. We saw some people that stared us down, so we went and hid until they were gone so we could check out the other junkyard piles. My GoPro kind of cut out for part of it, so there was just a little filler in on this, but yeah, enjoy. We're out of here, boys! Oh, I just locked up my rear tire. Screw it, we'll go over there. Alright. So I don't know if I got some of that footage, but I got a broom on attached to my backpack. I'm taking it home. You can see the shadow. Oh crap. It's a huge ranch. So we're looting the junkyard piles right now, me and Alex. We were gonna bring the cart out here and get stuff, but there was old people over here, so. Yo, the chair's still there. We're snagging that boy. We're bringing it home. We'll get that like tomorrow maybe. We're helping clean up the dumpster. Ah, frick. Oh, this broom is like super uncomfortable though. Yeah, boys, we got the broom on the back. Oh, frick. If we didn't like slow down, we would have ran right into that boy. This broom is so freaking weird, dude. Like, it's just on me. Oh crap. Do you see that back tire slide? Check out this wall ride, dude. Freaking savage. There's no way I'm doing that normally or with a broom. I'm so bad. Oh, that was sideways. We almost just flew off that. That was partly because of the broom, partly not. That was kind of just my fault. I got no goggles. I think a rock just hit me in the friggin' eye. So we got the broom. We headed out, boys. This is your daily junkyard finds, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, this ain't bad for a daily junkyard. You know? Like, not bad at all. Secured payload, got the friggin' broom. That's what I'm talking about, sonny. We just snagged up like a $15 broom right here. We be going boom, get all this dirt and dust out of here. Yes, sir. Alright, see y'all in the next one.